Hello, today we will guide you through how to create an AI agent in Zendesk. To begin, open Zendesk and make sure you are on the home screen. This is your starting point for accessing the tools you need. If your workspace looks slightly different, that is normal, but the main navigation should still be in the same general area. From the home screen, look to the top left corner and click the Support dropdown. This menu gives you access to different Zendesk products and features, so it is the quickest way to move from the standard support workspace into the AI tools area. Once the dropdown opens, select AI Agents. This will take you to the AI Agents dashboard where you can view existing agents and begin creating a new one. If this is your first time visiting this area, take a moment to get familiar with the layout before moving on. Next, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Create AI Agent. This starts the setup flow for a new agent. Zendesk may present different setup options depending on your account configuration, so just follow the options shown in this process. When prompted, choose the option for email or message. This selection determines the channel your AI agent will be designed to support. In other words, you are telling Zendesk how this agent will interact with customers, so make sure this matches your intended use case. After that, enter the sample brand in the brand field. This connects the new AI agent to the appropriate brand environment inside Zendesk. Be careful to select or enter the correct brand, since this can affect where the agent appears and how it is configured later. From here, continue by following the on-screen procedure. Zendesk will guide you through the remaining setup details, which may include knowledge sources, behavior settings, or basic configuration choices. Move through each screen carefully and review each selection before continuing. A good tip here is to read the labels and short descriptions on each page, since they often explain what the setting controls. Once you have finished the setup, test the AI agent using the panel on the right side of the screen. This is an important part of the process because it lets you see how the agent responds before it is fully put into use. Try a few realistic questions or prompts so you can check whether the responses are accurate, helpful, and aligned with what you want customers to experience. That's it. You have now created an AI agent in Zendesk and completed the initial test.